What are the health benefits of papaya? The possible health benefits of consuming papaya include a reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, cancer, aiding in digestion, improving blood glucose control in people with diabetes, lowering blood pressure, and improving wound healing. Papaya are a soft, fleshy fruits that can be used in a wide variety of culinary ways. Here we will explore more on the health benefits, uses, how to incorporate more of them into your diet, and what nutritional value papaya have. Fast facts on papaya. Papaya is native to Mexico. However, it grows naturally in the Caribbean and Florida too. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, India produces the most papayas, over 5 million tons in 2013. It can be added to salads, smoothies, and other dishes. Benefits. The nutrients found. Why papaya are thought to have a range of health benefits. They may help protect against a number of health conditions. Asthma prevention. The risk of developing asthma is lower in people who consume a high amount of certain nutrients. One of these nutrients is beta-carotene, contained in foods like papaya, apricots, broccoli, cantaloupe, pumpkin, and carrots. Digestion. Papaya contain an enzyme called papain that aids digestion. Infact, it can be used as a meat tenderizer. Papaya is also high in fiber and water content, both of which help to prevent constipation and promote regularity and a healthy digestive tract. Inflammation. Choline is a very important and versatile nutrient found in papaya that aids our bodies in sleep, muscle movement, learning and memory. Choline also helps to maintain the structure of cellular membranes, aids in the transmission of nerve impulses, assists in the absorption of fat, and reduces chronic inflammation, heart disease. The fiber, potassium, and vitamin content in papaya all help to ward off heart disease. An increase in potassium intake along with a decrease in sodium intake is the most important dietary change that a person can make to reduce their risk of cardiovascular disease. Hair health. Papaya is also great for hair because it contains vitamin A, a nutrient required for sebum production, which keeps hair moisturized. Vitamin A is also necessary for the growth of all body tissues, including skin and hair. Adequate intake of vitamin C, which papaya can provide, is needed for the building and maintenance of collagen, which provides structure to skin and healing. When used topically, mashed papaya appears to be beneficial for promoting wound healing and preventing infection of burned areas. Researchers believe that the proteolytic enzymes chymopapane and papain in papaya are responsible for their beneficial effects. Ointment containing the papain enzyme have also been used to treat decubitus ulcers.